Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So today I decided it would be as good a day as any to show you my first microwave meal that I make in my microwave in my dorm room. So here we are. Welcome. It is 7:30. We just got back from yoga. My roommate is in the shower, so you don't have to be embarrassed in front of her while filming this. I'm gonna show you guys how to make bacon and eggs in the microwave, and it only takes like 10 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so welcome to my microwave. Basically what we have going on here, we're doing the bacon first. So we've got a plate with a lot of paper towels and then one paper towel over. And this catches all of our grease. Yeah, so you just do that. Close her up, set the timer for 5-ish minutes. But yeah, this depends on how powerful your microwave is, how well done you like your bacon. So I'd say after about 2 or 3 minutes, just check it. And until it looks like regular bacon, just keep nuking it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. So we're cooking pretty quickly this morning. That's what she looks like. I'm probably gonna give her like 30 more seconds to 1 more minute just to, you know, cook it, I guess. Hey guys, I was wrong. It took about 2 more minutes. But this is what it looks like. Hey guys, me again. Step number 2 is the eggs. So basically, we're just gonna crack a couple cold ones because they're cold eggs. That wasn't funny. Into a bowl. Make sure it's microwave safe. That's a pretty big step. You don't want to skip that because if you use a bowl that's not microwave safe, you might burn your house down. I don't know. I can't speak to that. And then it's Eggy's choice, if you will. I'm gonna use some cheese and milk and salt and pepper in mine, but you can put whatever you want in there. It's kind of like an omelet in a way. You can add peppers, onions. What else do people put in omelets?
Spinach.
Spinach, ham, the works. I just like to whisk these bad boys up with a fork. Okay, now the key to these eggs. Also, let's talk about how cheap eggs are. I got this whole dozen for 99 cents, and sometimes you can even get them cheaper than that. And also, if you have chickens, they're free. So maybe just buy a chicken is what I'm saying.
Okay. That keeps on giving.
The most important step in these eggs is the milk. Most recipes will say a tablespoon or 2. I just eyeball it, because who has time for that? And then mix that in. That's the most important part. If you don't have milk, my grandma says water also works. I trust her, but I've never tried it. Okay, then we're gonna put some cheese in here. Cheese is also, not an expensive item. I think it's pretty reasonable. I eyeball that too. We're gonna salt and pepper this bad boy. And now it is time to microwave it, so that's what we're working with in there, okay? We're gonna throw it on for 1 minute and see what happens. Okay, so after 1 minute, this is what we're working with. You can see that it's kind of started sticking to the sides. This is good. So we're just gonna mix it up so it keeps cooking evenly. I think you could just keep it in there for the whole time and not mix it, but I think it cooks best if you mix it. So 1 more minute and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, so here we go. This is after 2 minutes and 9 seconds, I think. So same thing, we're just gonna mix her up. Sometimes I like to break it up just for more even cooking. It's hard to do this and hold the camera. She probably needs another minute, but we're gonna eyeball her at 30 seconds. Okay, and this is what we're working with after 3 minutes, people. Isn't that amazing? We're back and we're done. And that's all I've got. We've got our bacon, our eggs, and I'm also having some banana bread today. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas of stuff that you think I should make in my microwave and then post on the internet, let me know. I was looking at myself that whole time and not at the camera. Anyways, yeah, here we are. Subscribe if you want. I could not care less. If you have any ideas on how to make this bacon without 55 paper towels, let me know. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye. Okay. Hey, I'm trying to film here. Can you get out of my way?
When do you get the flashlight?